Hey California Chrysler owners, these are the top 5 Chrysler issues prompting California lemon law claims in 2024. Number 1, rear view camera image not displaying. Some Chrysler vehicles via Stellantis NV had radio software faults that prevented the rear camera image from showing, reducing rear visibility and thus increasing crash risk. Number 2, Uconnect/platform infotainment malfunctions. Owners reported freezes or failures of the Uconnect screen, which also governs backup camera input in many models. Number 3, powertrain or stalling issues. Some minivans or sedans under the Chrysler brand experienced loss of motive power or stalling, raising safety concerns. Number 4, recall defect verification recommended. You should always check for open recalls by VIN on the NHTSA site, as many of these issues are subject to official actions. Number 5, lemon law rights for unresolved safety defects. When a defect substantially impairs use, value, or safety and persists after reasonable repair attempts, California's lemon law may apply. When defects like these persist after multiple repair attempts and impair use, value, or safety, California's lemon law offers buyback, replacement, or cash compensation. If you believe you may have a claim, visit lemonlawhelp.com or call 833-2088-181 and get your vehicle evaluated.